What is your favorite Blox fruit here? And that's what I'm gonna be doing today, since I'm actually gonna be making a tier list. Don't mind the ads, the excess, the tiermaker.com, saber download. Don't mind all of those. Okay, don't mind all of those. But today we're gonna be going to review Blox Fruits. You know, I started playing this game just a couple weeks or month, just like 1 month ago, and I've been grinding from then. And also, the phone is at 20%, so let's just go get this started. Okay, trap fruit. Okay. Okay, no, trap fruit is sucks, but it's for great beginners. Okay, portal fruit. Okay, that one is very cool, of course. Uh, I don't know what this fruit is, but this looks cool. This looks cool. Rubber fruit, okay. Wait. Is this the blizzard fruit? Okay, no. Okay, let's just go to shadow fruit. And then ice fruit. Okay, yeah. Ice fruit there. Actually, it's pretty decent because you can literally walk on water with ice fruit. Dome fruit is literally mythic. What is that? Is that a quake fruit? Oh no, I need to study more fruits. But the quake fruit is good. Okay, this is straight up. I don't like that fruit. Smoke fruit. Actually, no, I'm actually gonna go put it in pretty decent. Since smoke fruit is actually pretty decent. Revive fruit. Okay, I think we need to buff this. Spike fruit. Okay. Barrier fruit. Okay, they also need to buff this. Power fruit. Oh no. Power fruit. Venom fruit. Okay. Oh no. What happened? What happened? What did I do? Venom fruit. There we go. There's a venom fruit. Okay, now I don't know if this is the quake fruit or this one or the other one is the quake fruit. Okay, but this looks pretty cool. Spirit fruit, dragon fruit, leopard, all mythics. All mythics, especially when you have perm fruits. That's never gonna happen. Flame fruit. Okay, this is a cool one. Bomb fruit. They also need to buff this though. No words. No words. No words. Okay, this is pretty good actually. Pretty good. Okay, then we got magma fruit. We got. Oh, okay, yeah, this is definitely a quake fruit. I can literally tell by its quake fruit. Okay, love fruit. Here, spider fruit. Also going there, and falcon fruit. This. Basically, that's all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go hit 300 subscribers, and we still need to reach over like like I know 700 more subscribers to get to 1,000 subscribers. So please like and subscribe. It takes very long to make my videos, especially the setup. And basically, yeah. Thank you guys for supporting me, and thank you for reaching me to 200 subscribers. Now let's go to 300. Anyways, bye guys. Let's go do that again. Bye guys.